Sometimes you want to run Valorant, for example, and you see this message, this warning message. Today I'm going to show you how to clear this message. And please, before you can like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends. So basically, we have to go first at msinfo32, as you see, and we are going to go to virtualization based security and see if it's running. As you see here on my screen, is not enabled because I deactivated the VBS. So you are going to find it running like that. Then you have to go to close this tab, of course, and go to command prompt and run it as administrator. Yes, and type this comment. Okay, then click enter. As you see, the operation completed successfully. Okay, now we are going to restart the computer. I'm not going to restart it because I already disabled it. Okay, restart the computer. Then after the restart, we are going to go back to system information, and you are going to find that the virtualization based security is not enabled. Okay, now you are good to go. As you see, there is no problem. You can run, for example, Valorant easy. Okay, so this is how you deactivate the VBS. For other videos, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, like the video, and share it with your friends for more IT videos.